And I'm Jamison Euler. For weeks now, people calling for criminal charges for the man who pulled the trigger in Markeis McGlockton's death. We're covering every angle of this major development. ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee kicking off our team coverage tonight. Heather.
Well, Jamison, the arrest warrant is about 11 pages long, and it details how close these two men were when that shot was fired. And I want to just give you an idea about how far they were. According to a 3D scanner of the scene, they were about 12 feet apart, which is about where I'm standing to this pole right here, just to give you an idea. Now, I want to show you the booking footage that we got earlier today. The same day that deputies say Michael Draka shot and killed Markeis McGlockton outside this Clearwater convenience store, he was asked to do it all over again inside a 10-foot by 10-foot room, reenacting the scene with detectives showing how close he was to McGlockton when he fired that deadly shot. Now, after the hearing of the arrest, a woman, Marva McWhite, showed up, and she said that she's just trying to support the family. But Draka told detectives he was in fear after being tackled to the ground, that after McGlockton made a twitch towards him, he fired in self-defense. But these new documents show Draka himself indicated he was more than 10 feet away when he pulled the trigger. Now, the autopsy also shows McGlockton's wounds match up with him turning away from Draka and facing the entrance, consistent to what can be seen in that security footage that we've been looking at. Now, I did get word that he is in jail. He is on a $100,000 bond, and we're not sure if he's going to make that bond tonight or not, but we do know he will be in court tomorrow at 1:30. For now, we're live in Pinellas County. Heather Lee, ABC Action News.
Heather, thank you. Meantime, McGlockton's family just minutes ago making their first public comments about those new criminal charges. And ABC Action News reporter Isabel Rosales there for every word of it and joins us live with their reaction tonight. Isabel?
Wendy, the mood here was full of happiness and relief. They believe that the state attorney's office acted fast, that prosecutors made the right choice by charging him in the first place, and that they picked the correct charge to get a verdict. Now, a guilty verdict would earn Draka a maximum of 30 years behind bars. The manslaughter charge handed down this morning, just 12 days after prosecutors first started reviewing the case. The McGlockton family attorney indicated that was the right move. Today, the family expressed their satisfaction with the turn of events and say they are ready for the legal battles ahead.
I mean, like everybody else, finally, it's about time. I thought that the guy should have been arrested from day one.
Just to let it be known that you cannot pick a fight and kill a man and claim immunity. You cannot.
An experienced criminal defense attorney pointed out two key obstacles for prosecutors. First, the surveillance video showing McGlockton pushing Draka, and then the fact that the stand your ground law changed last year, placing the burden of proof on the prosecutors to show it is not a stand your ground case. Altogether, that is an analysis the McGlockton family attorney disputes. But the defense could also file a motion to dismiss under stand your ground. If a judge sides with Draka, well, that would be the end of it. There would be no trial. Of course, we're staying on top of this case and we'll bring you the latest developments. Live in Clearwater, I'm Isabel Rosales, ABC Action News.